Don't let the name of this channel fool you guys. The only sovereign citizens of this world that I see are police officers. They think they can get away with anything. Now don't get me wrong, I know there's criminals out there doing bad things. But when you got a man walking around doing absolutely nothing wrong, getting searched by police, it becomes an issue. Seems like police officers are trying to make criminals out of innocent people when they can't find anybody doing anything bad. And why not go after the bad guys anyways? Police officers are afraid. Check out this video, go subscribe to this channel, let them know I sent you.
Alright, okay.
You still haven't provided me any identification. You still haven't provided me any identification. I do not consent, I do not enter into contract, and I do not enter into conjure with you. Okay, so, and yourself, your badge?
Badge number. Searching you under Misuse of Drugs Act, okay?
Misuse of Drugs Act, that's okay.
My name is Constable Edens, I'm from Ballymena Police, okay?
Identification.
I've just told you I'm Constable Edens.
You have to provide me 3 forms of identification.
I've told you I'm Constable Edens.
Okay, I want to see your warrant cards.
I'll say you've been detained for the purposes of a search, right? I'm going to be searching you for any drugs that you shouldn't have anything that's prohibited, okay? Right?
Shouldn't have anything that's prohibited.
Right, yeah, precisely.
Okay.
Alright, have you anything on you that you shouldn't have?
Don't enter in the contract, and I don't have anything on me.
Right, okay. Sir, what's your name?
I don't enter in the contract, I don't have to provide you my name.
He's just trying to get in first.
Right, okay, no worries.
Okay.
You happy enough to do it? Do you want to do it a bit more private, like behind the car? No?
No, my kids are, I'm only out for a wee stroll here. My kids are sitting in the house waiting on me.
Not a problem.
So if you detain me, you will be leaving my kids unaccompanied.
We haven't left your kids.
Well, you are threatening to detain me.
Right now, and they shouldn't be.
What?
Are you telling us that your kids are unaccompanied right now and they shouldn't be?
No, there's a 16-year-old, so she's legal. But if you detain me and take me to the police station, I'm not making any issue. You drove down past me. You drove down past me. You turned around. You have come back up. You have turned, and I have nothing on my pocket. But go on ahead. I have told you I don't enter in it. So if you touch me, you're physically harming me. I stand under common law. I stand under. You do not. You don't tell me the law you're searching me under. I don't stand under your law. I don't stand under your law.
You're obstructing me from this search, right? So just stop, right?
Looks like police officers are just stopping people to search them nowadays. Do you guys have an issue with that? When police officers aren't being taught law, they're out there enforcing feelings. So they think they can do whatever they like. Back to blue until it happens to you, folks.
He's now getting into my pockets illegally. This will be getting posted onto Facebook. This will also be put through the common law court, and I will require both of you to put up statements. I will be in the police station later on to make sure that you are dealt with. Now, you are committing a crime against a living man. You do not have the authority to do what you are doing. You are prosecuting me for no reason.
Favour, turn and face the wall there, sir.
Happy with your search?
Just let him finish it.
Happy with your search?
Just finishing off there.
Happy with your search? Now you violated a living man.
Right.
You found nothing on me, so now have a good day.
Would you like a search report?
Yeah, actually, give me a record. Yeah, I do. I want everything recorded. Both names and both numbers, and you still didn't provide me your warrant cards. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Let me try to understand something. Police officers don't have to follow law or policy. Then why do they expect the people to follow any kind of law or policy? What's good for the goose is good for the gander, right? Let's all break the law. Makes no sense, folks.
Legally, you just have to provide me your warrant cards. That doesn't make a matter that you're in uniform.
Yes, it does. It does.
Well, tell me, what are you?
What do you mean, what am I?
What are you?
Wait, he's already explained he's a constable of the police service.
He's a constable?
Yes.
Right, thank you. So if he's a constable, then he knows that he requires consent. Yes?
You don't need consent.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Listen, that's okay. Listen, get me the doggets. Get me the doggets and we'll deal with this later.
Yeah, I'm just having a chat with you. I'm just having a chat with you.
No, you're not. You're harassing me.
I'm not harassing you.
You're harassing me. And it's not the first time.
Well, that's the first time I've met you. Hello.
It's maybe the first time you've met me.
I can't speak for whenever anybody else.
You have harassed me, so you have stopped me and searched me for no reason against my will.
Do you want to provide your name for the documents, for the search record?
As you are constables, again, I remind you that you require consent. I do not consent.
Sir, let me just ask you.
You have violated. Listen to me.
Everybody has to get consent for
Yes, they
search,
do.
so they can have drugs.
Yes, they do. You need consent.
We have to consent from everybody.
You need consent. Yeah. Your laws are illegal.
Okay. Oh, right.
I don't stand under your laws. I told you I stand under common law. If you don't know what common law is, then I advise you. Do you?
about it then. You can discuss
Not through your courts. I'll take you personally, and I'll take you personally. I don't care about the police service.
Some of you may not agree with this man, but let me ask you guys, what contracts have you signed with your government? The DMV? Taxes maybe? What are other contracts that you have signed with the government, folks? Leave it in the comment section. If you don't have a contract with the government or a particular police officer, do you have to answer to them? Do you have to honor their side of the contract? Absolutely not, folks. Keep watching.
Well, good luck. You'll see. This will be getting posted on
it's not
on Facebook. I'm sure it won't.
It does not bother us.
As I said, you stopped me and searched me for no reason. I was out for a walk. You drove past. You turned around. You come back up. You pulled up in front of me. You got out. I told you I don't consent.
Sir,
You disobeyed that.
There we know what happened.
You disobeyed me telling you that I don't consent. I told you I'm a living man.
Yes.
And for them purposes, you have forcefully pulled me to the side. You have forcefully searched me.
Remember, it's all on body worn as well.
That's okay. You have it all. And I have it here too.
No worries. So if there's been any forcefulness, you can obviously make
It was forceful because I told you I don't consent. So you.
Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way.
It does work that way. It does work that way.
Right, well,
You obviously don't know the law very
I
well.
mustn't do. No, you're right. I mustn't do. Well, enjoy the rest of your walk.
My name at the top. Have a good day, sir.
Same to yourselves.
Many times channels like these are frowned upon. It doesn't matter if you consider yourself a sovereign citizen or not. If police officers don't like you standing up for your rights, they'll label you one anyways. But what is the true definition of a sovereign citizen? Isn't that an oxymoron anyways? And the reason that I say that police officers seem to be the only sovereigns out there, they really don't think that the law applies to them. You always catch them speeding down the road without any emergency lights, parking in red zones, and countless other things, folks. The videos don't lie. Many police supporters will turn a blind eye and not even watch these videos. They say that these videos are just being put out there to make cops look bad. But that's not true. The cops make themselves look bad when they don't behave properly, when they don't know the laws, when they don't follow their policies, and when they show a disdain for the public for absolutely no reason other than your recording. You guys go subscribe to this channel. Let them know I sent you. Have yourselves a blessed day. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.